everyone, it's Beth from Sweet Tots Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. I'm with the lovely Danina. I'm going to show you today a really easy wedding style. It's one of my most popular ones that I get asked for. It's great for brides, bridesmaids. You don't need to curl the hair, barely any back comb. Take you 5 minutes. Let's get started. So you just have to kind of decide if you want any face framing bits. I'm going to just pull some little wispy bits out today, I think. Nothing too thick. So I always just like to kind of pin these bits out the way so I don't forget about them. So if you want to, you can add just a little bit of back comb here. I have volumized Danina's hair before I started, so it's like a tiny little crimp just to help with the volume. I'll put the link in the description for you, but it's not necessary. You can just sort of add the volume just by putting the back comb in. So watch how easy this is. So I'm going to take a section of hair from the top, kind of chunky, leaving that little strip there for now so the style doesn't look too severe here. I'm going to break it into two. All I'm going to do is pass this one over, and then I'm going to take a section of hair again to pass it over. Now I'm going to add this bit and a little bit from here, adding it into that one, smoothing it out, passing it over. Just going to stop there for a second and just tease that out a little bit. We can go back at the end and do some more of that if we want to. So you're always adding into the one that's sort of closest to the shoulder. So I'm just grabbing a section, passing it over. I'm going to do this until I get to the centre of the heads. And then I'm just going to take a hair tie or bobble and pop this in. So I'd love to hear your opinion on whether you think this is more bride, bridesmaid. If you could do it yourself, that's what I want to know as well. Is this one that you could try yourself? So coming back to this side again, guys. So you're just going to split it into two. Pass it over. Adding into the one that's on the bottom. So I've got all the hair in now. So instead of putting like another hair tie there, I'm just going to kind of grab this ponytail too and just grab them all together. So you're going to come to the bun bit. You're going to kind of grab a section from behind like that. We're going to bring this section this way. But to help me pin it, I'm going to use an elastic. And I'm just going to kind of drape this hair coming over like that. I'm going to go straight through and just place that there. Next, I'm going to take another section of this hair and I'm going to kind of bring it around again. Again, I think I'm going to put a little elastic in just to help me to pin it. The next section is going to kind of come this way now. So again, I'm going to pop an elastic in. If you've got shorter hair, you probably won't need to do this. So this is my last piece. I'm going to tuck this one afterwards. I'm just going to kind of use this piece to build up this right section here. Last piece, I'm almost going to kind of tuck this one up. I don't really need it, it's just that Dina's got very long hair, so I'm almost just kind of going like that with this one just to create a tiny bit of depth at the bottom there. So quick face framing bits and then I'll let you have a little look. So let me know, guys, this is the front, just nice and soft, not too much back comb because that's not kind of in at the minute, being too high. Sweeping the sections, that was really easy, that bit. You could definitely do a variation of the bun. Let me know if you liked this style, and I also have a 2-minute bun that you can watch. It's really easy. That's a high style rather than the low style, and I'll see you again for the video. Bye.